Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that we were doing revision, and in that row of revision today we are going to do about days to celebrate. Today we will do revision of days to celebrate today, and children, as you all are aware that we were celebrating different days in a year. So in that row children, today we are going to revise, or we are going to know about the special days which we celebrate in a year, and why do we celebrate these special days, what are the objective behind celebrating these days, that also we will see. So here we will start with this. Help Noi to identify the name of the special days we celebrate. Now fill in the blocks from the help box given below. So you can see the answers from the boxes which have been given. So first one is, on 22nd March we promise to save water. So on 22nd March we promise to save water. So this day is called Water Day. So why this promise we were doing on 22nd March? See, these are few of the social causes. Social causes means that you are knowing that every day आपको पता है बेटा कि अब इंडस्ट्रीज़ का वेस्ट है, होम का वेस्टेज है, जितना भी है, दैट ड्रेनेज विल गो, दैट इज़ गोइंग इन ड्रेनेज. अब वो ड्रेनेज में कंटिन्यूसली इट इज़ गोइंग, एंड उससे क्या हो रहा है, वो जो आपका अर्थ है, जो वाटर है, दैट विल गेट पॉल्यूटेड. सो ऑन 22nd March वी प्रॉमिस टू सेव वाटर. तो हम क्या करते हैं, वी स्टार्टेड सेलिब्रेटिंग, वी हैव गिवन वन पर्टिकुलर डेट फॉर दैट सोशल कॉज. हमने उस दिन वर्ल्ड वाटर डे सेलिब्रेट किया, एंड वहाँ पे वी विल बी एबल टू रिमेंबर एंड वी विल बी एबल टू रिकॉल. हम लोगों को बता पाते हैं कि वाई शुड वी डू नॉट वेस्ट वाटर, एंड उसकी क्या क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है. दैट इम्पोर्टेंस विल बी डिस्कस इन दैट फॉर्म ओनली. So 22nd March is a date which is totally convicted for that only. So 22nd March is celebrated as Water Day, or that is celebrated as World Water Day, but here you can remember with that Water Day only. So this Water Day, आपको पता है पानी कितना ज़रूरी है हम सब के लिए. If we are going to polluted that water every day, हम रोज़ रोज़ polluted करते रहेंगे, तो one day we will not left with any more water. तो वो पानी हमें वेस्ट नहीं करना है. ये चीज़ हमें अपनी जनरेशन, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को, एंड दोज हु वर डूइंग दैट वर्क, उनको सबको ये चीज़ रिमाइंड कराते रहना है. तो नाउ विल कम टू नेक्स्ट डे, दैट इज़ ऑन 5th September वी सेलिब्रेट डॉक्टर एस राधा कृष्णन्स बर्थडे एंड थैंक आवर टीचर. So that day is celebrated as. So as you all, as we have already done this, and I've told you that earlier time also मैंने बताया था आपको that Dr. S. Radhakrishnan by profession he was a teacher, और उनका बर्थडे है, was a devoted teacher, scholar थे वो, और उनका बर्थडे जो है that birthday we were celebrating as टीचर्स डे ओनली, विच वॉज हेल्ड ऑन 5th September. और हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वी सेलिब्रेट टीचर्स डे ऑन दैट डे, एंड अपने जो टीचर्स हैं उनको हम थैंक यू बोलते हैं टू टीचर्स, टू पास important information, valuable information to us. So that is number 2. Now number 3, on 14th November we celebrate Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. On 14th November we celebrate Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday. So what we will do on 14th November? On 14th November we celebrate Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, because Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loves children a lot. So Pandit ji's birthday is celebrated as Children's Day. So on 14 November we celebrate Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday as Children's Day. So now we'll come to fourth one. On 31st May we remind ourselves about the bad effects of tobacco use. So why? Because on 31st May we remind ourselves about the bad effects of tobacco use, what are the different uses of tobacco and how it affects our lives. So that is an important thing, and this day is celebrated as No Tobacco Day. No Tobacco Day. So this you are going to remember that 31st May is celebrated as No Tobacco Day. No Tobacco Day means it is not like that ki they were not eating tobacco on that particular day. That 31st May is utilized to help the people aware about what are the bad effects of tobaccos. टोबैको के क्या क्या बैड इफ़ेक्ट्स हैं वो रिमाइंड कराए जाते हैं लोगों को, बिकॉज इन इंडिया नियरली 30 to 40% पीपल दे वर अनएजुकेटेड, वो पढ़े लिखे नहीं हैं, दे वर नॉट एजुकेटेड, तो वो उनको इन चीज़ों के ड्रॉबैक जो है वो नहीं पता है, तो दे वर कीप ऑन यूजिंग दीज टोबैको एंड ऑल. उसके बाद दे विल बी हैविंग सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ ए डिजीजेस. वो डिजीज़ की वजह से उनको कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम रहती है, कुछ उसका ड्रॉबैक रहता है, तो विल मेक देम अवेयर अबाउट व्हाट आर द ड्रॉबैक्स ऑफ दीज डेज, दीज थिंग्स. तो दिस 31st May is celebrated as No Tobacco Day, and people will be aware about the uses or the bad effect of tobaccos. So now we'll come to number 5. On 22nd April, we show thankfulness to our planet. That is celebrated as Earth Day. On 22nd April, we show thankfulness to our planet. On 22nd April, we show thankfulness to our planet. And this is celebrated, 22nd April is celebrated as Earth Day. That is 22nd April is celebrated as Earth Day, and on this day we show thankfulness to our planet. So what are the things have been given here? That is on 22nd April we show thankfulness to our planet, that is known as Earth Day. Thankfulness हम अपने planet में कैसे करेंगे? अर्थ में by planting trees. अर्थ को हम कैसे बचा सकते हैं? बाय सेविंग द एनवायरनमेंट, बाय सेविंग द एटमॉस्फेयर. सो लेट्स सी these all days again. Apart from this, we were celebrating many more days, as you can see in the tidbits also, that India got independence from the British on 15th August, and which we celebrated as Independence Day. Not only this, many days, Republic Day which is celebrated on 26th January, and we have Gandhi Jayanti that is celebrated. तो ये सारे डेज भी हम मनाते हैं, बट दीज आर द फ्यू डेज विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रिलेटेड टू अ सोशल कॉज. सोशल कॉज क्या होता है कि अगर हमारी एनवायरनमेंट में, हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में, इफ़ वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू सेव आवर एनवायरनमेंट, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू सेव आवर एटमॉस्फेयर, so one day everything will be finished, and we have to fight for that, our environment only. So that you all will remember about all these days. So we'll see these days once again, and that is number 1, that is on 22nd March we promise to save water. That is celebrated as Water Day. Then 5th September is celebrated to birthday of Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. What is the full name of S. Radhakrishnan? That is Sarvapalli Radhakrishna's birthday, and he was a great scholar and a teacher also, which is celebrated as Teachers Day. Now we'll come to number 3. On 14 November we celebrate Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, that is celebrated as Children's Day. On 31st May, we remind ourselves about the bad effects of tobacco use. That is No Tobacco Day. That is celebrated as No Tobacco Day. On 22nd April, we show thankfulness to our planet, and this day is celebrated as Earth Day. So here I am going to finish this lesson and I am going to start the next. Obviously, mammoth. Mammoth is the largest spider. Now, this is the world's slowest mammal. So, which animal is the slowest one? That is, which animal is the slowest? Fine. Now, we'll come to number 3. That this is the largest spider. Largest spider. The largest spider is what? That is tarantula. Now we'll come to number 2. This is the world's slowest mammal. That is sloth. Now number 3 is these sharks have heads shaped like hammer which help them to find food in the sea. Yes, these sharks have head shaped like hammer. That's why these sharks are known as hammer-headed shark. And these hammer-headed sharks are quite important, which are very helpful to find food in the sea. So children, that we have done. Now this earlier useful plants we have finished in this video, and now I'm going to I've already started with this awesome animals, and I'm reading it out, reading the questions, and then I'm going to make you understand the answer. Now number 3, these sharks that I have explained. Number 4, these lizards are best known for changing their body colors to blend in with their environment. That is chameleon. Chameleon is well known for changing the body colors. Now we'll come to number 5. These animals cannot jump. Yes, elephant cannot jump. Fine. If that animal is going to try, then elephant will be fall at the back. So elephant cannot fly, or these animals cannot jump. So elephant cannot jump. Now tidbits is very important. Penguins have webbed feet which help them to swim. Now they also use their short paddle like wings to swim. Now penguins have short feathers and a thick layer of fat to keep them warm. So these are the tidbits that is related to your penguin. And again very important that penguin has webbed feet which help them to swim. Now they also use their short paddle which is working like wings to swim. Now penguin have short feathers and a thick layer of fat to keep them warm. So now we'll come to next page, that is number 6. These animals have no teeth but can swallow up to 35,000 ants in a day with the help of their long tongues. So this animal or these ants are known as ant eaters. Ant eaters. So 35,000 ants were eating in a day. So here the name of the exercise is, or name of the chapter is, that is ants in a day. Now we'll come to number 7. This animal's name means little armored one, which refers to the overlapping plates covering its back, legs, head and tail. So these animals' name means little armored one, which refers to the overlapping plates covering its back, legs, head and tail. So this animal, just because of its structure, it is known as little armored one. Fine. Because on the back of this insect we have this overlapping of plates. So this whole chapter, this whole page that you are going to remember, that is, animals are known as little armored one, and which refer to the overlapping of plates, which covering its backs, legs, head and tail. Now we'll come to number 8. These animals give off a bad smell when they are threatened. Threatened means डर. ये कौन से animals हैं which are going to give a bad smell when they are threatened? So that we have removed. Now number 9. These animals can stand erect on their hind legs. No. Now number 10. This animal has a long nose and looks like a large pig with a trunk. So if sometime what happened, if you are going to get it signed, your that particular page, and if that page will not be get signed, so no problem, later on ma'am can sign. Now this animal has a long nose and looks like a large pig with a trunk. So again is very important, long nose and looks like a large pig with a trunk. So that also number 10 you are going to remember. Now tidbits, that giraffe have long necks to help them eat from tall trees. Now they are the tallest living animals. They have long tongues so that they can pick the smallest leaves of plants. So that is your tidbits. So this page only we are going to do it today. I hope that page is quite clear. That is awesome animal. This question quiz is given in your book itself. From there also you are going to revise. So now children, what we are going to do it next. Now this we have already finished with the first chapter. What was the first chapter? This one, that is first, this chapter is awesome animals, and before this we have this useful plants. So useful plants, in useful plants also we have done many different plants, and hardly uh, they are they all are very important, all the land and wall, all, and everything is very important which is related to inverted inter school competition. Okay, so children, here I am going to finish the class. So what children, what you are going to do it, that you are going to revise both these pages, useful plants and as well as useful plants, and after that you are going to revise that awesome animals. So that revision you will do it, and if you have any doubt, that you will mark in your book, and that we will discuss in our class. So here children, I am going to finish the video for today. I hope you all have enjoyed the video and how the plants are getting more useful, and then what are the uses of different parts of plants, that also we have seen. So that all you will complete it. So here I'm going to finish the class. That's all for today children. Have a good day. Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Children, as you all are aware that uh, we were doing revision of your GK book, and we have finished many chapters, and in revision also we have completed and many chapters. And children, today I am here for doing revision of different states and capitals of India. and different states and capitals. Although I have told you in the online class also that you are supposed to learn states and capitals of India. So today I have brought few questions related to states and capital, and I hope you all will learn these capitals at least. So along with the capital, I'm going to tell you that different questions related to that topic only. So let's start, children. Now the number one is, what is the capital of Maharashtra? Now the capital of Maharashtra is, you can see that many parts: A. Mumbai, B. New Delhi, C. Chennai, D. None of the above. So here I am going to take it and I'll show it that answer. What is the capital of Maharashtra? Now Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Now Mumbai is also known as financial capital of India because maximum people, those who pay tax. Now what do you mean by tax? Tax is that some amount of money which we will give it to our government wherever we were living. If you are living anywhere that is outside the country, there also you are supposed to pay some tax. So although Mumbai is the financial capital of India, but that Mumbai city is the capital of Maharashtra. New Delhi is the actual capital of India. So now we'll come to next question number 2. Now Dash is the capital of Uttarakhand. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? So here the correct answer of that capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. That Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand. And Lucknow is the only capital of our state, that is Uttar Pradesh. And then we have Shimla. Shimla is the capital of Himachal Pradesh, and Lucknow. Again, Lucknow is the capital city of the people. So now we'll come to next. Now Dispur is the capital city of which northeastern state? Now what do you mean by northeastern state? Means the railways or the trains which travel from northeast. So that they were knowing, or they were telling that the capital city of which northeastern state, Dispur, is the capital city, means Assam. Assam, the capital of Assam is Dispur. So that you are going to remember. As many questions which we were doing in this class, those many questions you are going to remember it. Means these many questions you can learn. Now Dispur is the capital city of which northeastern state? That is Assam. Assam is the capital city of northeastern state. Now we'll come to question number 4. Which city is also known as the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir? Now which city is known as the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir? Now the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Srinagar. Srinagar is the capital of, or the summer's capital of Jammu and Kashmir. So here the correct answer 4 is Jammu. Now question number 5. Kavaratti is the capital of which union territory? Now Kavaratti is the capital of which union territory? So Kavaratti is the capital seat of Lakshadweep Island, and all these, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, all three are your this union territory and all. Now question number 6. Port Blair is the capital of which union territory? Port Blair. So Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, now Port Blair is the capital of which union territory? Andaman and Nicobar Island. The Now we'll come to next page, that is Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. Now we'll come to next. Ranchi is the capital of which Indian state? Ranchi is the capital of yes, Bihar or Telangana, any one you can write. Which is an Indian state. Dash is the capital of Orissa. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Now we'll come to 10th one. 10th one is Silvassa is the capital of which union territory? So Silvassa is the capital of Daman and Diu. Silvassa is the capital of which union territory? That is Daman and Diu. Capital of Uttar Pradesh, that you all are aware that is just now we have done, that is Lucknow. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. Now question number 12, Dash is the capital of Meghalaya, that is Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya. Now Gandhinagar is the capital of which state? Now Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat. Now number 14, Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Jammu and Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Number 15, Gangtok is the capital of which state? Now Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Now number 16, Dash is the capital of Chandigarh. So the capital of Chandigarh is Bengaluru. Now the capital of Goa is Panji. The capital of Goa is Panji. Now number 18, what is the capital of Himachal Pradesh? Yes, it's correct. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla, and many more things of that is famous. Now Dash is the capital of Punjab. What is the capital of Punjab? That is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab. Now Kolkata is the capital of which eastern state? So for which eastern state Kolkata is the capital stands for? That is West Bengal. From the West Bengal only that Kolkata is getting that, na? Okay, fine. So this exercise we have finished here, that is amazing animals. So now next we are going to start because already about states we were doing in the class. States के बारे में we are already doing in the class. So that also I am going to consider in this lecture only. हम ये country के बारे में करेंगे as well as we are going to do it about the states also. तो यहाँ पे मैं I am going to consider the states also. I love my India. Noe needs your help to identify the national symbols of India. So here I am going to talk about the national symbols only. There are different national symbols. Although you all must be knowing it, but still I am taking a revision of this. Number 1, our national animal is. Which is our national animal? That is tiger. Tiger is a national animal. Fine. Don't get confused with lion. Ki lion is a national animal. No. Tiger is a national animal. Now we'll come to number 2 question. A national flower is lotus. National flower is lotus. The picture which is given, that is of correct answers. जो पिक्चर में आपको गिवन है, लाइक टाइगर की पिक्चर गिवन है, देन लोटस का फ्लावर गिवन है, देन नेक्स्ट इज अ नेशनल बर्ड, दैट इज पीकॉक इज गिवन, दैट इज, so the correct answer is peacock. So these pictures have been given to make it understand you all कि what is the correct answer and how you have to learn it. When looking at